February 2019, Wing Clip. Elizabeth. Hello, Bluey. Look at how adorable you look, I said while looking at him. While I gave him some fresh water, my mom suddenly stated the unexpected. Elizabeth, we're going to get Bluey's wings clipped today. What? Why? I loved flying around. I know you probably don't want to, but do you remember how stressed you were when he flew onto the turtle tank and how he drank your cereal milk by flying over? She continued. I nodded. She had good points. She also mentioned that it'll grow back in no time. I put him in his carrier and went into the car, going the exact same way we did before Blue came into our lives. They greeted us, grabbed him in a towel, and cut his wings. Oh, I hope he'll still like me after this. They also clipped his toenails because they were quite short and quite long, and I suppose I didn't notice it due to his cuteness. It felt like his bird life was gone. He was just a chicken. Even though it was how I felt, he seemed to not mind, just a little baffled. We went back home with a forgiving toy, a play area. I put the wooden ladder on the rings and connected it to the main perch on top, and a great tray at the bottom with paper to catch all of his droppings. The two side perches and swings can hopefully help as well. I put him on it, who was a little scared, but after I put milk and lettuce on it, he was okay. I then took out my phone to take a video of him swinging and wrote the caption, Bluey just got his wings clipped because of the dangers that have occurred. He's swinging now. Ping! Huh? I checked my phone eagerly to see who texted me. Many likes and comments came through, saying how cute and calm he was, but there was a direct message from my best friend, Ashlyn. I love your cute pictures and videos of Blue, and I'm wondering if I could have a bird of my own from your mom's friend. I would like a yellow one. A wide smile came across my face. I was finally not the only one with the bird. Of course. Mom, Ashlyn wants a bird too, a yellow one at that, I said, specifying the color. I obviously wanted her to be happy and satisfied. She asked her friend, who instantly agreed. Maybe having 200 birds is a bit much. Ping! It was her again. What should I name him? Numerous name ideas floated into my head, so I sat down and began to type everything. Sunny, banana, gold pie, sunshine, peaches, mango. The list ended after about 50 names, and she picked one. Mango. My eyes soon dried and ached from all the screen time, so I went to check up on Bluey. The most terrifying scene haunted me. Blood. I was not only bombarded with it all over his new play area, but also by a ketchup-dipped marshmallow, half white, half red, half angel, half demon. His head was a little cute cotton ball until the blood came along to ruin it. He was just itchy, though, because of the blood coming out of his toes, but I took a piece of toilet paper and put it on his left toe to suck up all the blood. His original owner probably cut it too deep. Bluey, you're all good now. Be nice to the new bird, okay? I asked, comforting him. He bobbed his head in response. I wonder how he'll react to Mango. Bluey. Hello, Bluey. Look at how adorable you look, Elizabeth said while I was sleeping, but then her mom's disturbing voice broke in. Elizabeth, we're going to get Bluey's wings clipped today. Elizabeth tried to fight back verbally, but ultimately agreed to such a change. My heart sank to the bottom on the ocean floor. Can I even trust Elizabeth anymore? She quickly put me in my backpack that I hated then and took me up. I trusted you. I trusted you. I glared at her with all my might the entire car ride, but she only thought I looked cute, not fierce. Well, I hoped she'd have something for me afterwards. Something good. We came across a familiar house, the Daisies. Chirp, chirp, chirp. The birds chirping. Home sweet home? I felt the inability to breathe normally, so I looked around to see that my previous owner was grabbing me out of my backpack. I thought it was my safe spot. Stop touching my wings and toes. Every time I attempt to escape, she grabs me tight around my neck and stomach. Don't they want me to live? Snip, 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 snip. What are they doing to me? They let me go and put me on a table. I wanted to fly away, but made such a huge fool of myself by crashing onto the floor. At least I somewhat glided. Elizabeth put me back into what I thought was my safe spot. Are you happy now? I need my treat. Where's my millet and lettuce, huh? No, not home sweet home. More like home bitter home. After we got home, Elizabeth's home, she put me on the kitchen counter, still in my backpack. She connected some pieces together to form something that looked bird-friendly. The best part came. Millet and lettuce. She knew me so well, and it was the exact amount I preferred. Mostly chopped up lettuce and a little millet on the side. I ate a little bit of both, but I halted immediately when a wooden log hit me. Hey, watch it! It turned out to be Elizabeth, who tried to get my attention. She motioned me to step up onto the wooden swing with some beads attached to it and moved me gently before bringing her phone out. Ping! Who's that? She tucked her phone without showing me. Ping! Who's that again? She tucked her phone. My left O grew itchy, so I had to scratch it somehow on my head. She finally looked at me after putting her phone back down. Her Bluey's eyes widened in horror. Bluey, are you okay? What happened? She asked while frantically running in circles. What does she mean? I was just itchy. She used some cloud ball to suck up the blood coming out of my left toe, baffling me because there wasn't blood before. The blood could have been seen as crazy me since with my flying skills. Everyone became vexed and stressed, so with some of it out of my body, I could become calm Bluey. You're all good now. Be nice to the new bird, okay? She queried. I bobbed my head in response, but hold up, a new bird? I was not letting anyone share my love with my beloved owner, and even though she did break my trust in her, I gained it back from her after saving me from losing too much unknown blood.